going to see vegetable pulao. Now let us see the ingredients. Take all the required spices. Take half cup of peas. Take half cup of beans. And then take half cup of carrot. Take 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. And then wash and soak 1 cup of basmati rice for 20 minutes. And then take 2 green chillies and 1 big onion cut into slices, 2 tablespoons of butter or ghee. Add ghee or oil to a heated pan. Add the spices as well. Meanwhile, add the sliced onion. Put the required salt. Sort them well till the onions become soft and translucent. Now add ginger garlic paste. Sort them well such that the raw smell of ginger garlic paste disappears. Now let us add all the veggies one by one. First put the sliced carrot. Sort them well until all the slices are half cooked. Now add the beans. Add the peas as well. Sort them well for 2 to 3 minutes. Now pour 2 cups of water. Mix well. Now add the required salt. Bring the water to a rolling boil. Now add soaked and drained rice. Stir gently so that the rice doesn't break. Now sprinkle some coriander leaves or any herbs of your choice. Stir in between to check if all the water has dried up. Now the water has fully dried up. Switch off the flame and add some ghee over the rice. Do like, share and subscribe for more videos.